Why you should eat an orange every day? Shocking health benefits. Join me guys up until the end. Ethel Allera here. Let's go guys!
Orange, you glad you're eating this fruit? Health benefits inside.
Did you know that the simple fruit could boost your immunity, clear your skin, and protect your heart all at once? In today's video, we're peeling back the truth about oranges and revealing why eating just one a day can change your health in surprising ways. Don't miss number 5. It's the most unexpected benefit of all.
Here are 9 surprising health benefits of orange fruit.
The top 1 health benefit of orange fruit: boosts immunity. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and fight off colds, flu, and infections. The top 2 health benefits that we can get if we eat orange fruit: promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C in oranges support collagen production, helping reduce wrinkles and keeping skin firm and glowing. The top 3 health benefits that we can get out of orange fruit: improves heart health. Oranges contain flavonoids and potassium, which help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and support a healthy heart. The 4th health benefit of orange fruit: aids digestion. The fiber in oranges helps regulate digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut healthy. The fifth health benefit of orange fruit supports weight loss, low in calories and high in fiber and water. Oranges make you feel full longer, making them a perfect snack for weight control. The sixth health benefit of orange fruit regulates blood sugar levels. The natural sugars in oranges are released slowly due to the fiber, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Great for diabetics in moderation. The seventh health benefit of orange fruit improves eye health. Oranges contain vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes from age-related damage and improve vision. The eighth health benefit of orange fruit reduces inflammation. Antioxidants and vitamin C in oranges help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to chronic diseases. The ninth health benefit of orange fruit hydrates the body with a high water content at around 87%. Oranges help keep your body hydrated, especially during hot weather or physical activity. Let's jump into the nine amazing health benefits of oranges. 1. Boosts immunity. 2. Promotes healthy skin. 3. Improves heart health. 4. Aids digestion. 5. Supports weight loss. 6. Regulates blood sugar. 7. Improves eye health. 8. Reduces inflammation. 9. Keeps you hydrated. Each of these benefits is backed by science and centuries of natural medicine. Let's take a closer look at how these juicy powerhouses support your well being. Oranges are a type of citrus fruit known for their bright color, sweet, tangy flavor, and powerful health benefits. They belong to the Rutaceae family and are scientifically called Citrus sinensis or sweet orange. Now that you know how powerful an orange can be, are you ready to add one to your daily routine? Let me know your favorite way to enjoy oranges in the comments. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another health tip. Thanks for watching. Stay fresh, stay healthy. See you in the next video.
Did you know?
Did you know? Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world and originated in China. But today, they're grown globally, especially in Brazil, the US, and India. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.